Hey guys, welcome to Maneuver, and in my today's session we'll discuss about the NCH MCTG 2017 paper solution. Guys, we're going to discuss the English language with comprehensions, and I hope this video will help you a lot for the shortcut techniques and what should be your approach towards the English language in the paper. Now guys, over here I'll solve all the questions. So there's a request, once I read the question, you pause the video for some time, try to solve it by yourself and then come back with the solution and see whether the answer is correct or not. So you will come to know where do you stand, which is the weaker section, which topic requires more attention, and things will fall in the correct place. So try and solve by pausing the video by your own self. Okay, starting with the first question, the direction goes: choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. Guys, the first statement says the tour was cancelled on account of incessant rain. Now when we are saying that the tour was cancelled, so there might be a rain which is very heavy, very constant, whereby the your tour is being cancelled. So the options are constant, heavy, intermittent and unexpected. But before solving, let me tell you, this is a kind of a filling the blanks which is called as closed test, guys, which is your vocab based. Okay, ये जो four options है looks very much similar to each other. Like for example, constant, heavy, everything looks very similar. So you have to understand what is the subject matter, which is the tense going on, and whether you need a positive and a negative vocab. अगर इतना आपको clear हो जाता है, then I'm sure you will come across the correct answer. The option is constant rain. I'll keep this aside. Okay, never just go for the first one. Always read all the options. Heavy rain, अगर heavy rain है तो there has to be वो half an hour आगे there वो रुक जाएगा. So for that reason tour cannot be cancelled. So this cannot be my choice. The word is intermittent. Intermittent means what, guys? Intermittent means occurring at the regular intervals. Okay, it means occurring at the regular intervals. So if it is in the intervals, okay, so you can leave. So the intermittent is also not my answer. The unexpected rains, but it is not telling me the unexpected rain kitna chal raha hai. Okay, so the unexpected rain also cannot be my answer. The meaning of the word incessant means constant, guys. Because of the constant rain, the tour got cancelled. Okay, so moving ahead with the next question, guys. Seed needs moisture, air and warmth to germinate. Okay, so the underlined word is germinate. Now what does germinate means? To grow, basically. No, what does it means? To grow, correct. So to cease means what? To end. Okay, it means to end. So this is a bare opposite. So this cannot be your answer. Reproduce, I'll keep this at aside. Breed means what? Type. What breed is this dog? The type. The sprout. Okay, so I'll see the sprout. Now the germinate and the best closest answer is what, where the students can get confused, is reproduce and sprout. So reproduce, seeds do not reproduce, guys. Okay, so this won't be my answer, and sprout is my correct option over here. So sprout is the correct option. Moving ahead with the next one. The militant was nabbed at the airport. Okay, so what is the meaning of the word nabbed over here? We're gonna see that. Caught, liberated, traced and beaten. These are your choices. Now caught, I'll keep this aside. Nabbed can be caught, I'll keep this. Liberated means to become free, so this cannot be my answer choice. Traced is you're tracing somebody. Okay, so you are following somebody, so this is also not my correct answer. Beaten was nabbed. Nabbed does not sound like beaten, so the correct answer is caught. The militant was nabbed at the airport. The word nabbed means nothing but caught. Okay, moving ahead with the fourth one. Drinking is a vice which ultimately ruins a person. Now drinking is a vice, so we are sure we want a negative answer because it ruins a person. It is telling you that a person is ruined means what? He is destroyed. Ruins means what? He is destroyed. So drinking is a habit which ultimately ruins a person. Drinking is a kindness, so kindness to aa hi nahi sakta. Drinking is a purity, so this both are your positive words, so we want a negative word. So या habit या evil, so the correct choice is evil. Wise means what, good students? Wise means evil, habit bhi nahi. Okay, wise means evil. Drinking is evil which ultimately ruins a person. Moving ahead with the next one, guys. Still we are doing the same direction. Choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the underlined word. Okay, so the over here the sentence goes, some of the people try to spread anarchy in the country. Now some of the people try to spread anarchy. Now you should know the straight away meaning of the word anarchy. The word anarchy means nothing but your lawlessness. Okay, lawfulness उसका opposite हो जाएगा. Lawlessness क्या हो जाएगा guys? उसका opposite हो जाएगा. Calm is not a correct one. Harmony is also not a correct one. Lawfulness is also not a correct one. Lawlessness is the correct answer. Anarchy means nothing but your lawlessness. Calm and harmony नहीं है. Okay, and lawfulness भी नहीं है. These are kind of a opposite of it. Anarchy. Okay.